Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi khusus di Ukraina Selasa 5 April. Tribun Timur mengutip media resmi Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, juru bicara Kemenhan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov merilis perkembangan terbaru. Pada malam tanggal 4 April, senjata berbasis laut jarak jauh berpresisi tinggi di dekat Ochakov menghancurkan sebuah pusat pelatihan untuk pasukan operasi khusus Ukraina yang digunakan, antara lain, untuk menampung tentara bayaran asing, kata Majen Igor. Rudal berbasis udara presisi tinggi telah menghancurkan 4 depot bahan bakar untuk memasok kelompok pasukan Ukraina di dekat Kremenets, Cherkasy, Zaporozhye dan Novomoskovsk. Pada malam hari, penerbangan operasional taktis Angkatan Udara Rusia menghantam 134 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, 8 pos komando dan pusat komunikasi, 1 radar untuk sistem rudal S-300, 1 peluncur sistem rudal Tokawu, 6 depot amunisi dan 2 depot bahan bakar, serta 85 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi peralatan militer Ukraina. Pertahanan udara Rusia menembak jatuh 4 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di udara dekat Chernobyevka, Industrialnaya, Gurty dan Nizhnaya Krinka. Secara total, 125 pesawat Ukraina dan 91 helikopter, 398 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 226 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 1969 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 214 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 852 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 1.873 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. On the evening of April 4, high-precision, long-range sea-based weapons near Ochakov destroyed a training center for Ukrainian Special Operations Forces, used among other things to house foreign mercenaries. High-precision air-based missiles have destroyed 4 fuel depots for supplying groups of Ukrainian troops near Kremenets, Cherkasy, Zaporozhye and Novomoskovsk. During the night, operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces hit 134 military assets of Ukraine. Among them, 8 command posts and communication hubs, 1 radar for the S-300 missile system, 1 launcher of Tochka-U missile system, 6 ammunition depots and 2 fuel depots, as well as 85 strong points and areas of Ukrainian military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means shot down 4 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles in the air near Chernobyevka, Industrialnaya, Gurty and Nizhnaya Krinka. In total, 125 Ukrainian aircraft and 91 helicopters, 398 unmanned aerial vehicles, 226 anti-aircraft missile systems, 1,969 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 214 multiple launch rocket systems, 852 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,873 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation. According to confirmed information, in Moshun, 23 kilometers northwest of Kiev, on the evening of April 5, servicemen of the 72nd Ukrainian Main Center for Psychological Operations carried out another staged shooting of civilians allegedly killed by violent actions of the Russian armed forces, for further distribution through the Western media. Similar events have now been organized by the Ukrainian special services in Sumy, Konotop and other cities.